Welcome to our video on the exciting world of advanced chatbots and automation. Today, we'll be discussing the latest use cases of these cutting-edge technologies and the new AI tools that are driving their development. Chatbots have come a long way since their inception and are no longer just limited to answering basic customer queries. With advanced natural language processing capabilities, chatbots can now understand and respond to complex questions and provide detailed information. One of the key use cases of chatbots is in customer support, where they can handle a large volume of inquiries efficiently and provide instant resolutions. Additionally, chatbots are now being used in sales and marketing, where they can engage potential customers and guide them through the buying process. Furthermore, chatbots are being integrated into mobile apps and websites to enhance user experiences and provide personalized recommendations. Automation, on the other hand, is revolutionizing various industries by streamlining and optimizing repetitive tasks. From finance to healthcare, automation is being used to automate data entry, generate reports, and even perform surgeries with high precision. New AI tools, such as machine learning algorithms and deep neural networks, are enabling chatbots and automation to become more intelligent and adaptive. With machine learning, chatbots can continuously learn from user interactions and improve their responses over time. Deep neural networks, on the other hand, enable automation systems to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. The combination of chatbots and automation is also enabling businesses to offer round-the-clock support and services. By leveraging AI tools, chatbots can work seamlessly with automation systems to provide 24/7 assistance to customers. In addition to customer service, chatbots and automation are being used in HR departments for tasks like employee onboarding and training. By automating these processes, HR teams can save time and focus on more strategic initiatives. Another exciting use case is in the e-commerce industry, where chatbots and automation are enabling personalized shopping experiences. By analyzing user preferences and behaviors, chatbots can recommend products that are tailored to individual needs. Moreover, chatbots can also assist in payment processing and provide real-time order updates. In the healthcare sector, chatbots are being used to provide remote patient monitoring and personalized health recommendations. They can analyze patient data and suggest appropriate health interventions, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals. Chatbots are also making their way into the education sector, where they can assist students with learning materials and provide instant feedback. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect chatbots and automation to play an even more significant role in various industries. From streamlining processes to enhancing customer experiences, these technologies are reshaping the way businesses operate. In conclusion, advanced chatbots and automation, powered by new AI tools, are transforming industries across the globe, offering efficiency, personalization, and improved customer experiences. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the latest advancements in the world of artificial intelligence. Ready to begin implementing AI? Contact us and we will guide you in the development and implementation of these services.